Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Today, we're diving into the world of AI copywriting and SEO with a comprehensive review of Scalenut. If you're a digital marketer, blogger, or content creator, stick around because this tool might just change the game for you. The link to Scalenut is in the description. First off, let's talk about the user interface. Scalenut sports a clean, intuitive design that's a breeze to navigate. Whether you're a pro or just starting out, you'll find your way around in no time. The dashboard? Super user-friendly with everything you need just a click away. Now, on to the pricing. Scalenut offers several plans to fit different needs and budgets. Whether you're looking for a monthly subscription or an annual commitment, they've got you covered. And guess what? They often run promotional deals, so keep an eye out for those discounts. Moving on to the heart of Scalenut content creation. The AI in this tool is impressive. Need a snappy product description or a catchy social media post? Just pick a template. Input your details, and voila, Scalenut whips up content in seconds. But here's the real star, the cruise mode for long-form content. Planning a blog post? Just input your keyword, and Scalenut suggests titles, outlines, and even throws in an SEO report to boost your content's search engine ranking. Talk about a time saver. And the quality of this AI-written content? Top-notch, my friends. It's contextually relevant, fresh, and needs barely any editing. It's like having a little writing assistant in your computer. Let's not forget the SEO tools. Scalenut isn't just about writing content. It's about making sure your content gets seen. With their inbuilt SEO optimization, you're getting more than just a writing tool. You're getting a content strategist. So, what's the verdict? Scalenut is user-friendly, versatile, and efficient. It's a bit of a learning curve initially, but once you get the hang of it, there's no looking back. If you're not too savvy with SEO, you might find it challenging, but hey, it's a great way to learn. Whether you're churning out content daily or just dipping your toes into content creation, Scalenut has something for everyone. It's a solid investment for upping your content game and making your mark online. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.